Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how you can change the Instagram story from close friends to everyone or to public. Let's get started and let's see how we can change the status. So if we click on your story, I have already put one story as close friends. As you can see on the top, the star represents the close friends. Now if we click on more from here, we have this delete, archive, save video, share and go to story settings option. So if we click on go to story settings option, we don't have any particular options representing that we can change it from close friends to public. So in that case, what you can do here is you just have to upload the story. But if you don't want to do it all over again, what you can do is just go to more, just three dots, and click on save the video. And after that, just click on this plus sign right here and you will get it in the recents. Just select that. And this time you don't have to choose this close friends. You just directly tap on your story and it will be shared with everyone. Click on share stories. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Just because there is no direct solution, that's why this is the only solution right now on Instagram. By the time you are watching this video, there might be some other solutions as well.